In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly summarize Excel data using Copilot on the Microsoft Excel website. Whether you're managing data for work or personal projects, having a concise overview of your information can be incredibly helpful. Today, we'll walk through the process step by step so that you can make the most of this handy feature. First, let's begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading straight to Google. Once there, in the search bar, type Excel, which will direct you to the relevant search results. Among these, look for the official Microsoft Excel website. You can easily identify it as it's usually labeled with Microsoft's name. Click on that link to enter the Excel website. Now that you're on the Microsoft Excel webpage, what you'll want to do next is navigate to the file you'd like to analyze. If you've already uploaded your file to OneDrive or have it saved in Microsoft 365, you should be able to locate it easily. If you haven't uploaded it yet, go ahead and do so now, so it's ready for us to work with. With your file open, direct your attention to the right middle section of the screen. Here, you should see an option labeled Copilot. Click on this feature. Copilot is a powerful tool built into Excel that can help streamline tasks by offering AI-based assistance. Among its many functionalities, summarizing data is one feature that can save you a considerable amount of time and effort. After you've clicked on Copilot, you'll see a set of prompts designed to guide you in using this tool effectively. For today's task, the prompt you'll want to select is the one that says, "Summarize the data in this workbook." Selecting this prompt will instruct Copilot to generate a brief overview of all the data contained within your Excel file. This function is particularly useful if you're working with large data sets and need to extract key insights without sifting through every detail manually. Finally, with the correct prompt selected, you can complete the process by clicking the Submit button. Give it a moment to process, and soon you'll have a concise summary of your data ready for you to review. By using Copilot to summarize your workbook's data, you not only save time, but also ensure you have a clear and organized understanding of your information. This can be incredibly beneficial for creating reports, preparing for presentations, or simply keeping track of your outcomes more effectively. I hope you found this guide helpful, and I encourage you to explore other features of Copilot that might assist you in your day-to-day tasks with Excel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.